Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you. We got our hands on the latest HP Essential 15 laptop. And trust me, it's a game changer. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews. Now, let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the unboxing. HP never fails to impress with its packaging. Opening this box feels like unwrapping a tech enthusiast's dream. The sleek design, attention to detail. It's all there. And the best part? The excitement only builds from here. Now, let's talk specs. With a whopping 16 GB of RAM, multitasking is a breeze. The Intel quad-core processor ensures smooth performance. Whether you're working on intensive projects or enjoying your favorite games. And that's 640 GB storage? Phenomenal! With a combination of 128 GB SSD and an additional 512 GB USB. Storage concerns are a thing of the past. One of the standout features has to be the 15.6-inch anti-glare display. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or deep into creative work, the clarity and vibrancy are unparalleled. Say goodbye to annoying reflections and hello to an immersive visual experience. HP has nailed it in the convenience department. The inclusion of Type-C ports, fast charging capabilities, and the seamless experience of Windows 11s make this laptop a joy to use. Connectivity, speed, and the latest operating system. It's the perfect trifecta. Now, let's talk endurance. With up to 11 hours of battery life, this laptop keeps up with your day. From morning meetings to late-night creative sessions, it's got you covered. And with additional perks like Office 365 for a year, it's not just a laptop. It's your productivity companion. And there you have it, folks. The HP newest Essential 15 laptop. A true powerhouse redefining the laptop experience. If you're as impressed as we are, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, let us know in the comments which feature stood out to you the most. Thanks for joining us today. And until next time, stay tech savvy.